Well, hey folks. Good to see some folks online. Thanks for joining me. Yeah, you can get that image online. What did I do with it? I put it into... what did I do with it? I can't even remember now. I think I probably did it in sort of Adobe, whatever you call it. I found a background movie of clouds moving, and then I just sort of posted the FME thing over the top and put a mask around it to mask out over the clouds. And yeah, so that was quite a fun thing to play with. So I think we're probably good to close that quiz off. We've got like 2 minutes technically, but I think we're okay. So I'm going to close that link down. Oh, I guess the survey is done. This contest is done. Now look for the next one. I'm just, as you can see, I'm using SurveyMonkey for this. So there we go, we are closed. And we had 171 entries. So let's go through the answers first. So, 12 Days of FME, locating photos. This was sort of inspired by the GeoGuessr. I tried to get FME swag in there, but I couldn't manage it. So, anyway, yeah. So this FME World Fair swag is perfect for the beach and may look familiar. Well, yeah, we all got one of those, or a lot of us got one of those for the World Fair last year. Does the country look familiar if you've been following Team C's? So what I tried to do was I tried to fit a non-profit to each of these questions at each of these locations. And Team C's have been doing a cleanup of rivers and seas. And the videos they posted were in the Dominican Republic. So that's the right answer there, the Dominican Republic. So there you go. That's one. Let me know if you got that right in the chat. I know 20 people out of that 170 got them all correct, which is pretty fantastic. Team Trees was the equivalent fundraising that they did last year. They planted millions of trees around the world, including 100,000 in this US state. Which state was it? Well, this photo was from Dale, and he tells me that's Lake Tahoe, which is half in Nevada, but it's half, well, mostly in California. So that was the answer to this one, is California. This was another photo from Dale. Geographically significant location. Well, it's the equator. We can't get much more significant than that, not to geographers. Which country is it? So it's got an ongoing humanitarian OpenStreetMap project to map new cities. You could have looked them up and see where they're doing that. The answer is Uganda. Kiribati and Gabon are both on the equator. French Guiana isn't, so if you pick that, then I guess you didn't check a map of where the equator goes. But yes, the answer for this is Uganda. This one caused more problems than I thought it would. I'm not sure that many people got it right. Have you heard of river dolphins? So the Worldwide Fund for Nature is protecting them in multiple countries around the world, including the one pictured here. Do you know where it is? Well, they are protecting dolphins in China and Brazil. Canada, I think, probably may have, not river dolphins. We've got dolphins that might come up to a river, I guess, from the coast, but not specific river dolphins. Anyway, this was another photo taken by an FME, a SAFE employee, and that is China. And this was another one from a SAFE employee, my colleague Dave. Médecins Sans Frontières helped the people of the country since 1993. Again, you could have looked them up. You could have seen where they've been operating and where they've been operating since 1993. And you could have checked that out. And they do work in all of those countries listed. But the answer is Tanzania. So those are your 5 answers for the quiz. So Dominican Republic, California, Uganda, China, and Tanzania. So that was that quiz. So what I have to do now is we have to pick a winner. So let me click the Analyze button and download. So we can have a look as well, by the way, at which questions were the easiest and hardest. The hardest one was the river dolphins. 47% of people got that right. Dominican Republic next, then the Uganda and California were equal. And then the hardest one was the one with the river dolphins, which was China. I can't remember what the dolphins are. Some sort of something like Yangtze River porpoise or something like that, I think it is. So anyway, I am going to download all the responses data in CSV. Hey, you get to see how this works. I mean, ideally I do this in advance, but since I just closed the poll at 10 my time, let's see where that is. I'm just going to unzip that. And we have this list of things there, and I have got a workspace to pick a winner. I just have to point it to the right. Okay, so we're in the Downloads folder, CSV, 12 Days of FME Locating Photos. That's the one I based it on. That's their results. So let's run this workspace and pick us a winner for today. So what we're doing here, we're reading all the answers. We are scoring the answers. We're picking someone who scored 5, and we don't have anyone there. What have I done there? Something's not right. Just give me a second. I'm going to move that onto the other screen because I don't know that I want everyone seeing email addresses. Why did that not work? Oh, I know why it is. I messed that up. Let's see. Edit with Notepad. So the problem that we've got is... where are we? Oh, where's the open recent? Here we go. Okay. Header to use. Yeah, so their header is a bit messed up. They've got it over 2 columns rather than 1. I'm not sure why. So I just have to copy this over. It's a real pain why they can't just... Oops. Again, I'm showing email addresses there. I probably shouldn't do that. Why they can't just give me a list of people and the scores they got, I don't know, but they can't do that. So let's rerun that. Oops, actually stop and rerun, because wait, okay. So we reran that. Still 100 and... Did I save that file? Okay, I'm making a real mess of this, aren't I? I think we might have to skip picking a winner for now because okay, something's going really wrong with that. I'd like to debug it on the screen, but because there's email addresses and things on there, I can't really do that. Found an expression. Yeah, all the data's coming back null. Why is it coming out null? I don't know, maybe they've changed their... Huh. Oh, I got an extra line in there that doesn't help. Let me see if that works. Last chance, otherwise I'm going to stop it. Ah, no. Still didn't work. Okay, well, we'll forget that one. Let's scrub that. I'll pick a winner for that later. Sorry, I'll have to debug that workspace and figure that out. Okay, so let me go to the next survey, which is this one. And how do we pick the collectors? Share the survey. No. Let's just go to this. So this is the next puzzle that we have. Collect responses. And we are now open. So the next puzzle is now open for you to have a shot at. And what is this puzzle? Well, it is reprojecting data. How well do you know your map projections? For each projection you guess or identify, you get another entry into the prize draw. Yeah, I mean, the map projections can be a little bit difficult to spot, but we've got some very obvious wrong answers in there. And hopefully, even if you narrow it down to one, narrow it down to like two, you've got a 50-50 chance of getting an answer right. So we'll have a see how you do. Again, don't worry if you don't get it right. It's just a bit of fun, and a guess is as good as anything. It can still get you an entry into the prize draw. So, yeah, thank you for the 170 people who did that. Yeah, the schema should be correct. It's the same. Yeah, so thanks for everyone who took part in that last one. Hopefully we get the same amount of people taking part in this. We'll do another live presentation on Friday, and hopefully the workspace will work. But yes, you can see here that none of the answers are coming through. And I don't think it's a schema because I edited the header and I put, like, I had to swap the header over. So if I save that, make sure I save it and hit the rerun button. I'm very puzzled about what's coming through on their reports. It's very weird format, but yeah. So anyway, I will try and figure that out. Again, I do it online, but you'd be seeing people's email addresses in here, and I don't really want to do that. So I will give it a miss for now. But anyway, yeah. So day 2 is open. Actually, we should look at who got. Oh, I can't even do that. I can't even tell you who got all 5 right. Actually, what I can do is I can point this workspace back to the old data set I used, and that'll give us most of the people. Where are we? 12 days of FME. Puzzle 1 submissions. Let's see if the original one works. Yep, so it's working with the data I had yesterday. You can see the question answers are coming through. Not sure why it doesn't. I won't use this to pick an answer because it wouldn't be fair. There's a few more people who are still to enter because this has only got 153 from yesterday. But if we want to know out of these people who have got the right all 5 correct, We are looking at Mitch Orchard, Paula Lynn, Oscar Willems, Leo, Jonas Nelson, Ryan Heffley, Michael Lowe, SRG, Candice, Ash Naidu, Audrey Rager, Per Moland, Chris Lang, Jen Tomlin, Joanna Hobbins, Danny Merce, Jennifer Hall. All of you folks got 5 correct. And there was a couple more as well, which is why I'm not picking a winner right now. But I'll do that shortly. Anyway, congratulations if you got all 5 right. One of you will be picked as the random winner for this, for today. And yeah, please do go and check out the reprojecting data puzzles and give that a shot. And we'll see how many folk can get that right. Okay, thanks for tuning in. Sorry I couldn't pick a winner today, but I'll figure that out and get that online as quick as I can. So yeah, thanks folks, and I will see you soon. Actually, I think I figured out what the problem was. If anyone's still here, or even if you're not, I'm recording this. Let me go back to that survey. I think I know what I did wrong. And it's annoying. Okay, where are we? Locating photos. Want to analyze the results. We're going to download, create a new export, all responses, CSV, condensed. Don't want the actual answer text, I want the number, because I was looking for numbers, not, yeah, so. Okay, well, you know, there's always something that goes slightly wrong. So again, let me open this, no, I want to open the folder. I'm going to unzip to here, overwrite everything that's in there, and what have we got? 414, 1014, whatever, yeah, that's good. So I'm going to open that file up to edit the header. Again, I'm just doing it on the other screen because I don't want to share everyone's email address unexpectedly. There's the header. Save that. Go back to the workspace. There you go. Doing things live. It's always where I was. Downloads folder. Downloads. CSV. Okay, let's see if this runs. Yes, that's better. Okay, so 171 people, 20 people got all of the correct answers, and of those 20, who else did we have? Chris Tredinick and Lauren Blanco are the ones we added. So, how do I... Let's just shut that table down, I don't need that. So yeah, so the workspace then goes on to shuffle the features, pick the first one. Yeah, the sampler's got a shuffler in it, but I like that. So we clean up the data so we only keep their name, create a vertex, make it into a label. So the winner of day 1 of the 12 Days of FME is... Ash Naidu, congratulations. We will fire you off an email and yeah, get you a gift voucher for the GameCrafter website where you can buy some FME trading cards. Whew. So glad we got that working in the end. There's always something that isn't quite right, and it's a bit awkward because the data from SurveyMonkey is in a bit of a mess. They give you two header rows. Half of the headers you want are in the top row, half of them are in the other, so I had to just make one up and copy and paste it in. But we got there in the end, so even if I stopped streaming and then suddenly remembered, whoa. Okay, well, we'll leave it at that. And for now, I'm going to go back to trying this Advent of Code puzzle. I'm still on day 4. I've got part 4A correct. 4B I can't get quite to work, so I'm having trouble with that. But this is my workspace. We're reading bingo cards, reading in rows and columns, and checking the numbers to see which card is the winner and which one is the loser. And I've got the winner one working fine. It's the loser I can't get right. So if anyone knows the answer to that, I might need to ask for some help at some point. But anyway, yeah. So it's been good to be online this morning. Thanks again for entering that contest. Congratulations to Ash for winning the prize of the day. But everyone else, every answer correct got you into a prize draw for the grand prize, which is that lovely globe that we've got. So yeah, it's well worth entering, even if you don't get the daily prize. So yes, I should live stream solving the Advent of Code, and I did do that the other day for one of the questions. Maybe I'll come back on tomorrow or later today with the thing. In fact, I could even try this. No, because I'm having problems with this one. I've tried debugging this and I still can't figure out where it is, and I don't want to look like an idiot any longer than I need to online. It's working how it should. The answers look like they should, but it's telling me it's the wrong answer. So I've not quite figured out why that should be yet. So anyway, so yeah, if I can get on to day 5, maybe I'll live stream solving day 5 puzzle. Oh, and the other one I should point you to and also solve today is the advent calendar for Contera in Germany. Advent, what's it called? FME-advent.contera. What day are we today? We are the 8th today. So yeah, you can check out all the questions on here that have been made available. Day 8, which is not a part of an FME server automation. Oh, this one's going to be fun. Because I don't use them that often. Okay, so a bookmark is, because I know you can bookmark things. Or can you? External action logger, action trigger. I think bookmark. I think it's data inspector. But you shouldn't be copying what I answer anyway. So yay! I'm glad when I get the answer right, especially first time. But yeah, if you haven't tried out the Contera advent calendar, give it a go. I'll just chat the link out. It's yeah, it's always fun to give that a try. So yeah, give that a go. And yeah, I'll try and get onto the Advent of Code as well and stream some of that another time. But my answer the other day, I already streamed that and put it on YouTube, so you can always check that out. That was me using the cat format to get the right answer there. So yeah, that was fun. Okay, well again, thanks for tuning in this morning. Great to see you here. If you're not following me, hit the follow button. Otherwise, yeah, I'll see you another time. Okay, cheers folks. Cheers, Siggy. Hope everything's going well over in Norway. And with the new job, I see you just moved, so hope everything's going well with that. Okay, thanks folks. Bye.